welcome back to another video. In this video, I want to show you how to enable the new Siri interface on iOS 18 Beta 1. I would like to know that if you update to iOS 18 Beta 2, this will stop working. And on Twitter, I also saw something that if you stay on iOS 18 Beta 1 for too long, you're going to be forced to restore your iPhone, and hence you'll lose all your data and stuff. So the first step you're gonna want to go to beta profiles. I will link all this stuff in the description. And the first thing you're gonna want to do is download this thing. It says download iOS 18 Siri operation, whatever that is. And then you're gonna have to download something called Cowabunga Lite. So if you just Google this, you'll see it within the first search results. And you'll if you're on Windows, you'll download the Windows version. There's a version for macOS 11, and there's a version for macOS 12 and above. So I'm gonna go ahead and download that since I am on macOS 15. Okay, so it's going to download a zip file into your downloads folder. So you will want to go ahead and open that, and you can just get rid of the zip file. And when you open this, it'll say it's downloaded from the internet and it can harm your Mac, but I promise you that it will not damage your Mac or anything. So you're going to want to hit open anyway. On the light, you're going to want to hit import. You're going to scroll down and upload the file you downloaded earlier. You're going to want to hit the edit button, and you're going to want to check enable. Now, one thing I do want to remind you of is that on your iPhone, you will have to disable Find My iPhone, or else this will not work. Now that you have the thing enabled, you should see an option called Apply show up. So now that you got Find My iPhone disabled, you're going to want to hit Apply Tweaks. So your device should restart now. So just give it a sec. Okay, so you should see the setup screen now. So just swipe up, and I want to enter your passcode. And enter your passcode. And you're going to see the trust thing pop up again. You're going to want to select your language, the country you're in, appearance, and you're going to get this box that says iPhone partially set up. So the really important thing is you don't ever click the blue button because it's going to wipe all your stuff. So you're going to hit continue with partial setup. Setup for myself, you're going to want to click that. And you're going to see it now. Hey Siri, what time is it?
It's 2:39 p.m.
Hey Siri, how many days are there until July 4th?
It's 9 days until then.
So yeah, that's basically what it looks like. And you might notice the voice sounds a little bit different. I think it's just a glitch when the this is very early, obviously, and it's not supposed to show, so that's just a bug. So thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, and that's all for today. Bye.